When her fridge came without an ice maker, this girl shows us the craziest life hack.
Our fridge doesn't have an ice maker, which you don't realize is a huge luxury until you don't have it anymore. So we have this bucket in our freezer, and what we do every week, we go to Chick-fil-A. You can buy their 5-pound bags of ice for around $1.50. It's amazing tasting ice. If you haven't had their Pebble Ice, you have to try it. Pour it in, and that way we don't have to fill up ice trays every few days, and it lasts us quite a while.
But would you do this?